Paano nga ba gumawa ng account dito sa GoTime Bank? Okay, so bago tayo magpatuloy, kilalanin muna natin si GoTime Bank. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, ang GoTime Bank ay isang digital bank dito sa Pilipinas. It is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Ang mga benefits nito ay may high interest savings, can earn points na pwede gamitin ipambayad sa iyong mga bills or converted to cash. May free transfer, buy loads, and many more. By the way guys, kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Ang GoTime Bank po is officially available for download on both the Google Play Store for Android and the Apple App Store for iOS. Ano nga ba gumawa ng account dito? So kung ikaw ay Android user, puntahan mo lang ang iyong Google Play Store at search mo tong GoTime Bank. Then i-download mo lang to sa iyong phone at i-open mo na after mong ma-download. Okay, i-allow ko lang to. Then i-tap mo lang tong open an account. To open an account, you need to be 18 years old or above, have a valid ID, be in a well-lit location to take a selfie, have a home address in the Philippines. Okay, then itap mo na tong GoTime Bank, terms and conditions. Then pindutin mo na tong let's start. Okay, select your citizenship. Piliin ko lang tong Philippines. Next, ay maglagay ka ng iyong mobile number. Make sure lang guys na ang iyong mobile number ay active. Kasi kailangan mong makatanggap ng OTP, send via SMS or text message. Then, after mo maglagay ng mobile number, ay itap mo na itong verify with OTP. Okay, enter your OTP na natanggap mo via text message. Next, ay ilagay mo ang iyong email address. Then, tap next. At makikita mo na itong we've saved your email. Okay, then tap continue. At itap mo tong yes if you would like to inform you about new features, offers, discounts, and promos. Then, pumunta ka sa place na maliwanag at alisin mo ang anumang nakatakip sa iyong ulo at mukha, kagaya ng eyeglasses, mask, hat, and including heavy makeup. Kasi, ang susunod ay magsiselfie ka. Okay, itap mo tong next. Okay, sabi dito guys ay make sure lang na ang iyong face is inside the oval frame. No need to move or smile. Okay, if handa ka na, ay pindutin mo na tong take selfie. Sundan mo lang ang guides sa pagsi-selfie. At kapag okay na, ay lalabas tong selfie verified. Next, we'll scan your ID. Okay, pakikuha ang iyong valid ID. At pindutin mo na tong next. Pumili ka ng gagamitin mong ID. Ang preferred ID ay Philippine ID or PCS ID, driver's license, UMID ID, postal ID, voter's ID, Philippine passport, PRC ID, and SSS ID. Okay, ang gagamitin ko guys ay PCS ID. Okay, then ilagay mo ang front of your ID inside the frame. Make sure lang guys, the information is clearly visible. Next is position the back of your ID inside the frame. Kapag tapos na guys, ay lalabas tong is your ID information readable. Kung sa tingin mo ay hindi clear, pwede mong pindutin tong re-scan ID. Kung gusto mong ulitin ang pag-scan ng iyong ID. At kung sa tingin mo ay okay na at satisfied ka na, ay itap mo na tong yes, upload this ID scan. At lalabas na tong photos uploaded. Just a few steps to go. Kung ano yung mga information mo sa ID ay lalabas dito. At kung tama naman lahat, ay pindutin mo na tong yes, that's correct. Then enter your place of birth, country of birth, at yung place of birth. Pindutin mo lang tong arrow down to select your place of birth. At kapag nakapili ka na, just tap next. Then enter your home address. It must be where you live. Dito guys, ilagay mo dito ang iyong house or unit number and street address, ang iyong barangay, city or municipality, at yung iyong province. I-tap mo lang tong arrow down to select your province. Kapag okay na, ay tap next. Okay, then tell us what you do for a living. And select the industry you work in. Then, scroll down mo lang to see the complete list. May accounting, automotive dealing, may gambling, money exchange or pawn shop, tech, telecom or BPO, unemployed or student, and so on. Okay, pumili ka lang dito guys ng isa. Kapag nakapili ka na, ay itap mo na tong next. Then, tell us what you do for a living. Okay, your occupation. Then, tap mo na tong next. At pumili ka dito ng main source of funds. May allowance, investment, pension, and so on. Okay, you need to select one option to continue. Then, create your username. Dito guys, sa gagawin yung username, dapat have 8 to 32 characters. Start with a letter, not include any special characters. Okay, kapag naka-check na po yan lahat or nagkulay green na, ibig sabihin ay pasok yung username na ginawa mo sa kanilang requirements. Kapag okay na, ay itap mo na tong next. Then set your passcode. Gagamitin mo to every time na mag-login ka dito sa application. Passcode mo po ay hindi dapat yung birth date mo, hindi magkakasunod, or it can't be made up of the same number. Then, i-confirm mo yung passcode na ginawa mo kanina. Then, kapag okay na, ay lalabas na tong your passcode has been set. So guys, ay gagamitin mo kapag magla-login ka dito sa app and kiosk. At huwag mong isi-share itong passcode mo kahit kanino. Okay, then, tap mo na tong got it. At kahit medyo matagal, ay hintayin mo lang to at huwag mo munang i-close ang application. You close the app, you must start the process over again. So kapag ganito na ang lumabas, ibig sabihin nito ay ikaw ay nakagawa na ng account dito sa GoTime Bank. And your account is ready to go. At pwede ka na mag-login. Okay, to login, itap mo lang tong login. At dito naman guys, kung may referral code ka, ilagay mo dito. Okay, then, ma-open mo na ang iyong GoTime Bank account. At pwede ka dito mag-deposits, send or transfer, scan QR, pwede ka mag-open ng GoSave account, USD time deposit. Then, ito po pala guys, yung bago na crypto and gold at fiat stocks. Pwede ka mag-buy, load, and pay bills. Okay, then itap muna natin tong profile icon on the top left. Then itap mo to personal information. Okay, makikita mo dito yung mga personal information mo. At dito guys sa email is unverified pa at kailangan ko tong i-update. Okay, i-verify mo lang ang iyong email address. Then, open email apps at papupunta ka sa yung email. Then, itap mo lang tong verify email address. At kapag okay na ay pwede mo nang i-close itong window. At pwede ka na ulit bumalik sa yung GoTime Bank application. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali gumawa ng account dito sa GoTime Bank. Okay, thank you for watching.